Today I have a question I'm going to answer. One of the questions I've been faced with over the past 15 years, and I'm pretty sure a lot of the other trainers faced also, is the number one question that your female clients always tend to ask. And a lot of women are asking me the difference between doing strength training with weights and also doing cardio. Now, there's a lot of myths going on about strength training or lifting weights. First thing I always tell women is that you're not going to get bulky. You're not going to look like a man. The only way you look like a man is if you actually taking male hormones or you taking testosterone. Now, that's the only way that women can actually achieve their look to look like a man. Now, some bodybuilders actually do take male hormones, steroids, or other things like that, and they end up building up the man features, and a lot of times they do actually look like a man. But to a lot of female clients, I don't want you guys to get discouraged or think anything else about lifting weights. Lifting weights is the best thing to do if you really want to achieve your goals as far as getting in fitness shape and looking right, muscle tight, and actually be able to overall achieve that fitness that you're looking for. Now, when we talking about doing strength training, we talking about doing weights as far as barbells or dumbbells. There's nothing wrong with it to achieve the overall fitness. In fact, you're going to benefit a lot more from it than you do cardio. Now, cardio is a great thing to do. It's great exercise, which is, it's good for the lungs and the heart. But eventually, you want to get in the weight room and do some weights. Don't get terrified or don't get scared of other guys that are in there. You two guys can get in there and you can lift. Now, the goal is not to lift as heavy, but it's to basically work through a progression and handle the way that you can handle. Now, most of my professional athletes are also giving advice that we don't do heavy lifting. Now, the only people I recommend heavy lifting for are college athletes or guys who are trying to get bigger and faster. Now, if you're an average, everyday person and you're working overall your fitness goal, there's no need for you to do heavy lifting. Heavy lifting are for the younger guys. Like I tend to tell my pro athletes is that, you're in the business where you're already bigger and you're already stronger. Now, the only thing you have to do is maintain. So I always give the advice to a lot of women that you don't need to do heavy weights. Even guys that I train, guys like myself, you stay in a low weight where you get the maximum potential and things that you need for you to achieve your goal. So overall, and lastly, what I'm explaining to you guys and saying to you guys is that there's no need for you to shy away from weights. Weights training is the best thing for you. As far as psychologically, it can help you, deal with depression and help you in your mood swings and help you feel good about yourself. And a lot of times, even with developing more muscle mass, we all need muscle mass. As you get older, you lose bone density. Also sometimes your body structure tends to go down. You see a lot of older people, they have the droopy shoulders, and a lot of times that's because they're not, introduced to exercising with weights. The thing building muscle is it'll actually hold back, it'll pull your shoulder back to have you standing upright, and it's great things to do. So, my recommendation to, to you guys, especially women, is, don't be scared to do weights. Get out there and do the weights, and lifting weights is not going to make you look like a man. Instead, it's actually going to have men looking at you. So, just keep at it.